Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my new other video. Today this video we will learn an application. The topic of application is write an application to your principal for full fee concession. 2, the principal, government dot school, Lahore dot sir, most respectfully, I would like to state that I am a student of the 9th class. This year, I topped the list in annual examination. My father is a poor man. He has a large family to support. He cannot bear expenses. Kindly grant me full fee concession. I enjoyed this concession last year. I shall be very thankful to you for this favor. Yours obediently, X.Y.Z. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel to watch my new other videos on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.